go.
Go time, mama.
Alright, it's going on. I already put them on like this. That's the filter, actually.
Are those cone shaped?
Oh, that's reversed. Check that. You said number 3. What? No, where's the what? I don't understand.
There's no dot?
No. Do a star pattern. How do I know if it's good? That's it. Oh wow. I'm new at this, but I got it.
Give it a good crank on it, like let it go. That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Hit the other side again. Those tires are nice. Everything is
Got a good
clean.
price on those tires.
Very good, sir.
You gotta look, this is the filter, and it's a Kawasaki Oil Filter 490657010, and it goes right on here. You put a little oil around the rim, right there, which you can see, and then I'm tightening it on by hand. And then I get a little wrench, just get it hand tight, and I don't have very strong hands, so, and that's that. Okay, here I am doing the oil change. So when you're done, actually we took this whole piece out, no one knows, but you see the engine, you gotta take all 4, 1, 2, where's the other one? 3 and 4 bolts off, and then you have to lift the engine up, take this out because we had to change the washers inside here. No one ever shows that. And then you lift up the whole thing and make sure this is tight because I gotta put oil in it now. I'm about to put the oil in. But anyway, this is the oil drain hole thing, whatever you call it. I don't know. And it opens this way to that way. It opens clockwise, it closes, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, so now I'm gonna take some oil I have right here, and it is Kawasaki 30 4-cycle engine oil, whatever. Anyhow, I might need 2 hands, so you might see me put this phone down. And here we go. First quart going in, and I want to just see if it leaks on the bottom. Make sure it's no leaking coming out. All right, everybody, this is just one hand. One hand. That's about, you need about 2 quarts, so this is, oh, whoa, slow down. This is the first quart. There she goes. Just let it drain out while we check everything. Make sure nothing's leaking under here. Okay, that's closed. That's getting tight. That looks good. I don't see any leaks coming out. This was leaking before right at the bottom here. So put some washers in. I mean, I didn't show that part. I should have. But I didn't get a chance to. But looks good. Or does it? I think I see it. To look for oil. I do. No. It looks good, actually. Okay, that's quart number 1. And then once that's done, I'll come back and we'll see how. I'm gonna show you the dipstick here. Not me, the dipstick. And you can kind of see it's so clean now you can't see, but it looks like about a half a quart. Can you see it? So hard to see. Anyway, I can see it. Looks like I need just about like a half. And this is the size wrench you need for this to close it. So this way would open it to me and away from me. You close it. Just give it a little. Make sure it's tight. And this is that size right there. 3/8.10. Whatever that means. I'm no mechanic, so you know. Amateur hour here. And I'm gonna take the next quart of oil and I'm gonna pour about half in there, run the engine so that this fills up, and then I'm gonna check it again. Okay, so now as you see, I'm gonna change the air filter. The oil is now full. It took almost 2 quarts, but not 2 full quarts. I ran it for about 30 seconds so the filter could fill up. And now I'm gonna take this filter off. Let's see how it goes. Put the new one on. I'm gonna wash it a little bit. And this is the old one. You see it looks like this. So the black one goes on it. It came off already. Bam. I'm actually gonna clean this. See what it looks like in there. Not too bad. Hey there. And then this is gonna go in its place for use in engines. And my engine is that. Air filter, and there's the patent number. Okay, so that goes back on there with the little black filter, which is this thing. Goes on the other side of it, and it's genuine Kawasaki pads. And I will get back to you once I clean up, and I'm gonna spray paint this. I got spray paint right there. I'm gonna make it look pretty. Okay, be back when I'm done. Okay, that's the new filter. It goes on like that. Put this little thing here, so it goes like that. Put that back in there. And a little disclaimer, I am not a mechanical. Just do it yourself at home. And then this is the cover. It goes back on here. And you can work your way in there. Voila. One-handed is not very easy to do, so put my best here. What I can do. And 1 and 2. And there you go. And you clip her on. Push it. Give her a little thing. And she is on. As clean as it's gonna get. Cause I all that my stomach again clean. So that's she's gonna look, I guess. It's old, you know. Well, not really, but short. Whatever. Short. One thing is you run and you can cut your grass. That's what matters. Once you do all your maintenance to your engine, your oil, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna start her up, take her for a spin, cut her grass over there. Here she is. Just had her run. Everything looks good. Voila. I had to tighten up these, Papa, and yeah. Now it seems like it's fine. I'll send you this video.